Nagsimula po ako sa music nung 3 years old po ako. Lagi ko po narinig si Mama kumanta sa karaoke. Tapos, tinry ko lang. Tapos sila, nagustuhan ko na po yung pagkanta.
Okay, next. Sino pa may sasagot pa? Yes, Benedict.
Ako din po, same po ako kay Travis na na-inspire po ako kay Mami na
Sa iba naman, meron ba? Sige, Zaya.
It started when I was young, when other people is listening to their artist music like OPM, and na-inspire ako makinig and kumanta rin. Yun lang po.
Alright, si ikaw, Sean, baka may sasabihin ka.
Like them din po, na-inspire din po ako sa mom ko. That's why.
Okay guys, so yun pala yung first question kung ano sila na-inspire. Sabi nga nila, in summary, very teacher, very teacher ang peg. So sabi nga nila, from their parents daw. Okay, next naman. Okay, who are your biggest musical influences? Sino pwedeng sumagot? Sige, Dirk.
My biggest inspire is Miss Presley, Rolling Stones, Backstreet Boys, One Direction. Madami pa.
Madami pa. Narinig nyo ba? Okay, yes, please. Travis, may sasabihin ka?
Musical influences ko po ay Apo Hiking Society. Kasi gusto ko yung mga nostalgic songs po nila. When I Met You and Panalangin po.
Yes, sino ba?
My biggest musical influence is Shawn Mendes, Justin Bieber, and Zach Tabulto.
Diba, Shawn Mendes? Okay, next, sino ba? Oh yes, Piolo.
Yung biggest musical influence ko po is more on OPM po. Like Four of Spades and Sugar Cane.
Alright, next, meron pa?
My favorite artist is Neo, Janela, and others.
And of course, baka Benedict may sasabihin ka pa.
Si ano po, na-inspire po kay Zach Tabulto.
O, hindi ka na-inspire sa kanya kasi nakalimutan mo siya. Ulitin mo ulit. Na-inspire ako kay... Ready?
Na-inspire po kay Zach Abudlo.
Malaki lang, ulitin ko pa. Alright, so... You all met. Paano kayo nagkakilala, nagkatagpo, whatever? Sino pwedeng sumagot? Si Johan na lang daw.
Ano po, nagkakilala po kami sa trainings and mga meetings po sa ano. Then, mas nagkakilala po kami lalo nung nagkakilala rin po kami sa Facebook. Thank you so much po.
Ay, gano'n. Mas nagkakilala sila lalo pag naging friends sila. Sino may sasagot pa? Wala na? Okay, of course, sige. Okay, can you describe your music style? Sino pwedeng sumagot? Sige, si Franz.
Hello. Our music po is inspired by kung alam niyo po yung band na The Bombs and One Direction po. So, yun po yung type ng band namin.
Tamang-tama, di ba? Medyo namamatay na yung The Bombs, namamatay na yung One Direction. Bubuhayin lang ng Unit 2. Okay, next. May magsasagot pa? Wala na? At parang ang bait-bait nyo. Oo, di ba? Okay. So, okay. Ito last question na to, no? From the parents naman. Kasi talagang ito yung problema ng mga magulang. How do you balance school and music career? Sino pwedeng sumagot? O, Sean?
Well, it's really hard to balance school and music career, but you have strategies like prioritizing strategies and prioritizing, our job and also making strategies.
Okay, translator. Wait, translator. English kasi, no? So, mga Inglesero, majority dito actually mga Inglesero talaga. Kaya minsan nananahimik na lang yung mga Tagalog. So, of course, thank you so much, Unit 2. Meron di ba sa inyo papakita ng talento before mag-end ang Unit 2? Sino kaya? Ikaw na, ano pa nga? Si Kiel! Si Kiel daw. Ready ka, Kiel? Ready?
Ready po!
Palapan natin, ladies and gentlemen! Kiel of Unit 2. Thank you so much, boys. Iwanan natin si Kiel. Paala siya dyan. Sige, Daishon.
For now, please follow us on our
Okay, baka
social media accounts and PH Entertainment official page. Meron din ako Facebook, TikTok, and IG. Yun lang.
Okay, sino pa? May sasagot pa ba? Wala na, Robert? Gusto mo daw ba sumagot? Okay na, syempre naka-reserve. So, next question. What are your hopes and dreams for the future as a boy band?
Okay. Hello? Or my check. So, hello guys, kumusta po kayo? Okay? Okay. So, it's me, 1vs30, and of course, as a group, marami kaming aspirations, marami kaming gusto i-achieve sa buhay, and marami kaming gusto mapuntahan. So, above all, we also want to enjoy our time as 1verse. So, yeah, to support one another and to be there for one another. So, thank you guys! Thank you!
Yes, palatok naman dyan. May sasagot pa? Wala na? For that question. Okay, next. Why 1verse? Oh, Robert, chance mo na to.
Throughout the love song sa amin, wait lang, nakalimutan ko eh.
Ay, hindi mo memorize.
And we are your
Ayos ka sa langit.
and we are 1verse.
Ulitin mo ulit. Again, why 1verse?
Nakalimutan ko ulit eh. To spread love to everyone, and throughout to the music, we are your universe, and we are 1verse.
Yes! To spread the music to everyone. Kasi kayo daw yung kanilang universe, kaya sila 1verse. Gusto nyo ulitin? Okay! May question pa ba? Wala na, no? Wala na ata? So anyway, kumanta na kanina si Marky. May nagpapakitang gilas din ba?